Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to do cause laces on your 350 V2s, so you can look flyer than a bitch. Okay, so let's get started. First you want to take out your shoelaces, so your shoe should look like this. And then you're gonna go inside of the shoe with the laces, so you're gonna go in the first two inner holes here. You're gonna take your laces, you're gonna put it through. Same thing with the other. Put it through. You're gonna make sure that they're equal lengths. You're gonna start then going to the second outer hole. Pull through. Same thing with the other side. Second outer hole. Pull through. Then you're gonna go inside the shoe again, come out from this side, the second outer hole on the bottom. Pull through. Same thing with this side. Second outer hole. Pull through. Then you're gonna cross over to the second inner hole and pull through. Same thing with this side, second inner hole. Pull through. Your shoe should look like this. You have your eyes. Now you're gonna take the laces and you're gonna go inside the inner hole here. Pull through. Again on this side, inner hole. Pull through. You're gonna go crisscross, so into the second inner hole here. Pull through. Same thing with this side. Second inner hole here. Pull through. And then you're gonna, from the inside again, you're gonna go on the outer hole here. Pull through. Same thing with this side. Second outer hole here. Pull through. And then what you're gonna wanna do is just take this, flip it over this section here to make the ear and pull in from this hole here. And you have your ear. Same thing with this side, pull over. Inside, pull through, and you should have your ear. So your shoe should look like this by now. Then you're gonna wanna take this lace from the top and just start wrapping it around. I like to hold mine in place because it just makes it easier. You're gonna leave it a little bit loose. And to keep the lace in place and for it not to come out, you're just gonna tuck it inside of the spiral and loosen it up just a little bit. So it should look like that. Then you're gonna do the same thing with this side. Start from the top. Wrap it around. I could probably do this one more time. And then tuck it in. It's a little bit harder for me because I have my nails, but it should be very easy for you. There you go. The perfect cause laces for your 350 V2s.
You want to fight? Nah, dog, chill. Nah, look, you like you want to fight. Nah, dog. Chill. Alright, dog. You got it.